Come along and sing with me to the animal world across the sea. From jungle vines to ocean deep, let's wake the animals from their sleep. In the jungle, wild and free, lived a monkey named Ziggy Z. He swings on vines and eats ripe fruit with a banana hat, oh how cute. Ziggy said, dance in circles on his head. Climb with me up to the sky, we'll wave hello to birds that fly.
In the ocean, blue and wide, swam a dolphin named Sandy Glide. She flips and spins with fishy flair and blows big bubbles in the air. Click, 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 she chirped with glee. Swim and splash and twirl with me. I'm the fastest in the sea. Race me now, 1, 2, 3.
On the farm where the flowers grow lived a piglet named Muddy Mo. He rolls in mud and squeals all day, then washes off in a funny way. Oink, 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 he sang with pride. Let's take the tractor for a ride. We'll count the chickens 1 to 10, then snort and giggle all again. In the snow so cold and bright lived a penguin named Penny White. She slides on ice and waddles fast and makes snow angels that always last. Flap, 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 said Penny loud. I skate with seals and puffins proud. The polar bears all dance with me under the lights of the northern sea. In so many friends and lands so wide, from jungle trees to ocean tide, the farm, the snow, the deepest sea, all sing this song in harmony.